May Goddess Saraswati enlighten us and we achieve our goals, what we are here for. And I'm very grateful for everyone who made it to come here today and join us. And I'm quite looking forward for the day. A few announcements. About the order of the day, which I'm going to uh, show to you in a minute. We have 4 sessions during the day, and each session will be having a session chair. So that person will coordinate the session, and the time is very important as we have a lot to do today. So it's really important that we keep in time. And we, the team IU-CERI, that is Indo-UK Center for Environment Research and Innovation, we will take note throughout the day and summarize the day's outcome and way forward before the end of the meeting. So I will just give a quick background before we start the business today. And those who have joined us on Teams, welcome to you all as well. And I'm very grateful that you took this time to join us. So for something missing in these slides this morning, I found that the laptop messed up with some logos and things. So somehow this has written logo here and I can't see the actual logo. So technology. Amazing. So just need to start. Thank you. So as you all know, the workshop is focused on building materials from waste and CO2. This is sponsored by the University of Greenwich, UK, and we are organizing this in collaboration with Aditya Birla Science and Technology Center and Jawaharlal Nehru Aluminium Research, Development and Design Center, Nagpur. As an overview, I would like to go back to 2015, a bit of history about how we started this Indo-UK Center and where we conceived the idea of IU-CERI and when we first time thought that we can do something in India. So in 2015, we received a funding from Royal Society of London and Ministry of Science and Technology, TST, in India, and we organized a low carbon seminar in Udaipur. Built upon these discussions in Udaipur, we started a new Indo-UK Center in collaboration with Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research in 2016, because in 2015 when we came here, we named the team who arrived here to join the workshop or the seminar the dream team, because the dream team had a dream that we should be able to do something good in India. We can offer something which is available in the UK and working in Europe. We can bring the technology, low carbon technology, to India to help India managing its waste, its environmental issues. So that's why we call the team as Dream Team. And Dream Team thought that we should start thinking about forming a center which can act as a platform and we can go ahead. So this IU-CERI was started or launched in 2016. And this is basically a collaboration between CIMFR or Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research and University of Greenwich, and many academic and industry partners are on board now. The main goal was lab to field solutions, having circular economy as the emphasis. Major interests included mining, steel, thermal residues, biomass, terrestrial ecosystems, and so on. And apart from that, we academics like publishing. So joint projects, publications, and commercial exploitation, how we can bring technology from lab to field, was the focus. And this is the picture of the dream team. We all assembled in Udaipur and had lot of fun, and lot of good things came out of this conference or seminar, and IU-CERI was the basis of this all. And this is the picture showing launch, and you can see our valuable members of dream team. That time it was very small but wholesome. Now it is much bigger. So Colin, Professor Styring, Professor Raj Singh, and others. I am standing in the back as well. Some impacts, example impacts, what we did as we moved ahead. We met with Indian Ministries of State, represented Universities UK at COP26. We were featured on the BBC TV and radio, Southeast News, 39 Ways to Save the Planet, and Costing the Earth. So Dream Team became a bit famous as well. We authored the UNEP Geo6 European Assessment Report, where we talked about waste and problem and solutions as well. And we facilitated Earth Day discussions in India as well, to disseminate what we are doing in the UK, what we can do in India for helping the environmental management or waste management. What is the objective, or what the objectives of this workshop are? To bring problem holders with solid and gaseous waste. Whoever has got solid and gaseous waste, come and talk to us. We might have solution. To bring problem holders, solution providers, policy makers, and market experts together, so all under one platform, to elucidate the potential of India's solid waste availability for value addition. We want to explore today, during the discussions, what are the problem wastes. In inverted comma, we say problem waste is not a problem, waste is a resource. So we are going to explore those. And also the objective is to demonstrate a low carbon circular economic approach for solid and gaseous waste management is possible and viable. And as we will move ahead during the day, experts are going to talk about this, how the problems are handled, how the solutions are provided, and how the technology is viable. To delineate the industrial and academic collaboration opportunities to take low carbon technology forward. So that's the summary of what we are aimed to do today. And to achieve this, as I said earlier, we have divided the day in 4 sessions. So first session will be the introduction and a bit of background. This will have 8 speakers, followed by session discussions and Q&A. Session 2 will be highlighting the problem definition, what the problems are, and here we will have our industry partners to come forward and play. Problem holder views on industrial waste, waste-based building products, market requirements and opportunities. Here our market expert will talk. Session 3 will be on potential low carbon technology solutions. Here our experts will talk about low carbon approach, how we can implement the low carbon technology for waste management and so on. So this session will have 3 speakers, and this will be followed by roundtable discussions when everyone will join together. And finally, the session 4 will be summary and way forward, where we will have breakout sessions. We all will break out in groups, and there will be panel discussion followed by summary and way forward. So that's the layout of the day. And now I would like to start session 1, but here we have an emergency. Professor Colin Hills wanted to demonstrate a technology Colin, are you ready? Okay. Right, okay. Before, by the time Colin is coming with his kit,